This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. State government. If there's ever been an argument to get rid of one tier of government, it's now, with the way the state premiers, some in particular, are acting. WA, Victoria, and this absolute stupid human being, Palaszczuk in Queensland, on your bloody power trips. When the woman with the two babies needed to get help, you stood up and said Queensland hospitals are for Queenslanders. So what, my Medicare card doesn't work when I'm up there on holidays? You absolute idiot. We're sick to death of this Queensland shit. It started years ago with Anna Bligh standing there after the floods with Julia Gillard, saying that it's been a horrible week, but we resolved because we're Queenslanders. Well, I'm a proud Australian. 3 nights of the year when I'm in New South Wales and we play State of Origin, I'm a proud New South Welshman. But every other day of the year, I'm a proud Australian. But you stupid pricks up there and you, Palaszczuk, are creating division with this Queenslander crap. You really are pitiful. And you're a reason, and the obvious reason, that state government should be disappeared. And for those that say, well, what about the jobs? Well, all the people in state government can go to regional areas, because when the councils are given these monies, they'll need people to implement it, so nothing much changes. It's just that we get the fuck rid of idiots like Palaszczuk and Daniel Andrews and this idiot in WA who thinks he's special because they've got mining. Take away the mining and you've got nothing. And Palaszczuk, this is Harry Vocal.